want to know how to edit your videos in different aspect ratio or different video dimension? On different social media platforms, they have their different aspect ratio or video dimension. For instance, on Facebook, we have aspect ratio 1:1, which is square, which is also recommended on the platform. Then we have 4:5, okay, aspect ratio on Facebook. Then we have 9:16 aspect ratio, which is the long form video. So I'm going to be showing you how you can film your video in a particular aspect ratio. Take for instance long form video and convert it to different aspect ratio. Like you can convert a long form video to a square video or to a 4:5 video dimension, or even 16:9, that is landscape video dimension. So this is a video editing tutorial you want to watch to the end. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to be using the long form video. Then I'll show you how you can convert it into other video dimensions that you can use across other social media platforms which are recommended for the social media platform. Okay, I'm going to be using the InShot app to walk you through on this tutorial. Go to InShot, you tap to open. So once the app opens, you're going to go to video, you tap to open. Then you go to this plus sign, you tap to import the video. So this is the video I want to import, and this video was filmed in a long form format, that is 9:16 aspect ratio. So let me tap to open. So once you tap on the video, you go to this tick icon, you tap. So as you guys can see, this video was originally filmed in a long format type. Now with this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can have a square video format, then a landscape video format, and another form of video format or video dimension or aspect ratio you can also use on Facebook. What we are going to be working with in this tutorial is what we call canvas. So this is canvas. Tap on canvas. So once we tap on canvas, you're going to see different video format or aspect ratio or video dimension. As you guys can see here, the first one is 1:1. So this is recommended on Facebook and on Instagram. This is the square video dimension. Then this is 4:5, which is not the full square, okay, but a kind of long but not fully long. Then this is for Instagram, okay, which is 9:16 aspect ratio, which this particular video was filmed in. 16:9, which is the YouTube video format, which is the landscape. Then we have for TikTok, which is also 9:16. We also have 3:4, okay. We also have 4:3. So these are different video dimensions we have, okay. And for Facebook and TikTok and Instagram, okay, this is recommended for Facebook and also recommended for Instagram. This is also recommended for Facebook and also for Instagram. Then this is recommended for Instagram Reels, then Facebook Reels. Then for this, we all know is YouTube video dimension, okay. Then this one is for TikTok, which is still the long format, okay. Then we can still use this for Facebook, then also this for Facebook, but normally these are the recommended ones, this, then this, okay. Now, as you guys can see, I filmed this video using the long form filming method, okay, which is the 9:16 aspect ratio. Now for us to convert this particular video or long video into square, depending on the aspect ratio or the video dimension you want, if I want this video to come out on a square video dimension, all I need to do is just to go to 1:1 video dimension, then I tap on it. So once I tap on it, to make this video to be in square format, this slider, drag it to the very end. This video is now in a square format, so adjust the video by dragging this a little bit up to fit in, you know, to the square video format. Just drag it up like this, okay. Drag it up like this. So as you guys can see, this video now is in square format. This is a video we originally filmed in a long format, but now as you guys can see, we have a square format video. Okay, I'm going to be showing you another dimension which is also recommended on Facebook, okay. So all you need to do is to still go to here that says canvas, you tap on canvas, Then you go to fit, tap on fit to take it to the original dimension. Okay, then you take this slider to 0, then you pull it down. As you guys can see, this was the original format. So the next dimension is the 4:5, which is also recommended on Facebook. Okay, so just follow the same process. Just go to 4:5, you tap on 4:5, then you drag this slider all the way to the end. Okay, just drag the slider, then you take the video up a little bit, okay, to fit in. So as you guys can see, we have video dimension 4:5, which is also recommended on Facebook. Let's go for the aspect ratio 16:9, which is the landscape video format, which is usually used and recommended on YouTube. Okay, still go to canvas, then you go to fit, you tap on fit. So make sure that this slider goes back to 0, which is the original position. Then you take this down to fit in. So this is now the original video dimension. So for us to produce this video into, say, 16:9, which is for YouTube, all you need to do is just to tap on the video dimension, you tap on 16:9, then you drag the slider all the way to the end. So as you guys can see, we have the landscape video dimension. Move the video up to fit in. So as you guys can see, we have the landscape video format. So this is how you can use a particular video format that was filmed originally to produce different video formats or video dimension or aspect ratio recommended for different social media platforms. Once you follow this step and you have your video in the recommended video format for the social media you want to post it to, okay, all you need to do is just to remove the watermark here, go to export, then you export your video, okay, in the format or the dimension you want to post it, which is recommended for the social media you want to post it to. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you got value from this, don't forget to like, share, and also follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day, and bye for now.